were your thoughts of her when you first heard her?
Prodigy.
She's writing original music everyone of all ages loves, and she's 13.
Hi, Grace!
Her music is like heaven.
We're here to see Grace VanderWaal. So how far did you come to see her?
From Peru, Lima, Peru.
Colombia.
Barcelona in Spain.
Who gets to have a billboard of their face in Times Square at age 13? Who gets to be on the cover of USA Today at age 13? Who gets to be #1 on the charts in Japan at age 13?
1. Prodigy, someone with a very great ability. 2. Heaven, a situation that gives you great pleasure. 3. Billboard, a very large board on which advertisements are shown. 4. Chart, the lists produced each week of the records with the highest sales.
I feel like personally, this has been the worst year of my life, and then career-wise, this has been the best year of my life. I once had to finish the 7th grade in one night. Why? Before the deadline.
You got all our tests Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
Like finals?
Yep.
Spaghetti. That's what I got.
What, are you taking Italian?
No, I'm taking French.
Oh.
It's exciting and it's really scary because you want your kids to stay the same. You want them to have the good values that you hope that you've instilled in them. And it's just a matter of feeling a little out of control.
She's taken on so much. I don't think there's many 13-year-olds that could do it.
5. Deadline, a time, or day, by which something must be done. 6. Excited, feeling very happy and enthusiastic. 7. Value, the beliefs people have, especially about what is right and wrong. 8. Instill, to put a feeling, idea, or principle gradually into someone's mind.
Fresh laid concrete, melodies blowing.
But I think the point of songs for New York isn't about New York being the song, it's about you making New York the song.
For her family and her, this whole music industry, they don't know about it, and it's refreshing. You don't have the stage parents. She's just in it because she's good at it.
Check this out. That's a wrap.
My first music video, we got a cheesecake. I just stuck my face in it. So now it's like a tradition to get cheesecake every music video.
9. Refreshing, pleasantly different, and interesting. 10. Sage, wise, especially as a result of great experience. 11. Cheesecake, a cake made from a layer of biscuit, covered with soft cheese. 12. Tradition, a way of behaving, or a belief that has been established for a long time. Thank you very much everyone. If you liked this video, and want to see more, please subscribe.